So in this video, I want to show you what happens to him when we use a lot of the most common verbs in English in the past and that change pronunciation to him. This really is a pronunciation video, so stay with me, pausing, listening and repeating to train your ears and train your accent to have that native speaking accent. Ready? Let's go. The first group is a group when we never use to, ever. None of these verbs take to. So if we see here, watched him, followed him, etc., but listen closely to the pronunciation in the past of some of the verbs. So watched him is a T, watched him, watched him. Followed him, followed him. Included him, included him. Understood him, understood him. Remembered him, remembered him. Reminded him, reminded him. Let him, let him. The same in the past. Paid him, paid him. And believed him, believed him, believed him. Okay, slow pausing and repeating, pausing and repeating. This is essential for your practice with your accent training. These are verbs that always take to. Always, no exceptions. We know already to talk to speak to listen to explain to, always take to, and this three always take to also. Said to him, said to him. Apologized to him, apologized to him. Wrote to him, wrote to him. This one is about the verb and the object pronoun, or to offer him, to teach him, to take him, etc. That when we have took him, so take, took, took him, took him. Brought him, brought him. Offered him, offered him. Taught him, taught him. These are now with the verb, the object, and when we take to, just like to send something to someone, is to take it to him, bring it to him, or offer it to him. That took it to him, took it to him. Brought it to him, brought it to him. Offered it to him, offered it to him. So slow, pause, listen, and repeat, and train. All right? So that's a simple pronunciation video. Join me in the next video when we look at him with prepositions and conjunctions and the simple basic expressions that we use and what happens to him when native speakers speak quickly. See you there.